Are you tired of manual data analysis taking up precious time in your project workflow? If so, you're not alone. A recent study found that professionals spend an average of 3 hours and 15 minutes daily on repetitive data tasks, which can be automated with the right tools. Enter Claude AI, a game-changing platform that uses artificial intelligence to streamline data analysis, automate tasks, and unlock new levels of productivity. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to use Claude AI to its full potential, from setting up artifacts to creating projects and writing custom code. To get started, head to the Claude AI website and sign up for a free account. You'll be prompted to create a project, so let's call it My Productivity Workflow. This will serve as our main workspace where we'll create, manage, and customize our artifacts. Now, let's talk about artifacts. In Claude AI, an artifact is a custom data model that's used to analyze and process data. Think of it as a template that helps you